Hello and welcome to the 3D printed classroom. Today's video we're going to be talking about must-have tools and the space that you'll need to set up a 3D printer in your classroom. First up, we have side cutters. These come in many different forms. I prefer to use the ones that are kind of a needle nose. They're pointy at the end, but this is very important for preparing the filament to put into your 3D printer. They have a flat side. That is why they are called side cutters. They can be put flush against something and cut very flat. Side cutters are the first must-have tool. Next up, we have the needle nose pliers. These are really important also. I use them for the most part to pick away at either melted filament or loose filament that has attached itself to the nozzle. These can really get in there and grab it pretty easily. After that, the glue stick. Any type of glue stick will be just fine. The glue sticks are used to make sure that your print sticks to the print bed. You may or may not need this. It depends on what type of printer you get and the build surface. Some printers come with something called build tack, and that's supposed to eliminate the need for any glue stick. Nothing's more frustrating than getting halfway through a print only to come back and find that it's dislodged. Using a glue stick will help make sure that your prints are attached securely to the build plate. Next up, paint scraper. The paint scrapers are incredibly helpful for getting your print unstuck from the bed. After all, we've glued it down, so having a kind of fine wedge to get beneath the print can make that a heck of a lot easier and prevent any damage from happening to the print. This is glass cleaner. And you might be thinking, why would this be an essential tool to keep in your 3D printing arsenal? The glass cleaner cleans up the glue stick perfectly. I don't know what it does. It like reactivates the glue. Maybe there's something chemical happening there, or maybe it's just the moisture that gets it to loosen up. Having glass cleaner to clean off your print bed is extremely helpful. Using glass cleaner to clean the glue off of your print bed, make sure that your bed stays in good condition. And if your bed is in good condition, the prints will stick well to it. And if the prints stick well to it, you're going to have good prints. Isopropyl alcohol. This I like to use to clean off my print bed every once in a while, just to get any oils. I touch the print bed, students touch the print bed, and being able to wipe off any of the oils every once in a while. I think it's good practice, but it might be a little overkill. I think that it makes a difference. So isopropyl alcohol you can get for a couple bucks at any pharmacy. When you're setting up your 3D printing space, you're going to have to consider where you're going to put it. 3D printers aren't quiet machines, so it's best if you can keep it out of your teaching area. I've chosen to put my 3D printer in a back room, which normally would be an office or storage area. I use this so that all of the buzzing and humming noises that a 3D printer makes does not disturb my classroom. I've chosen to put the computer that I use for slicing, my 3D printer, and my tools on the same surface. And so I need a little bit more room. Even if you're using a laptop or district computer to do the slicing, you're still going to need a fair amount of space. You need a nice, stable surface on which you can put your printer. You need room for all the filament that you're going to use to make the prints. And you need space for your tools. If you're going to be using your printer for engineering design challenges, you're going to need room for prototypes. Lots and lots of prototypes. That's it for today. If you're interested in more videos about how to incorporate 3D printing into your classroom, please hit subscribe. Check out my other video about printing math manipulatives to use in your instruction. Thanks for watching.